to each and every one of you. I hope you're enjoying your day off. Today I have a Stitchfix box that came in. It feels a little bit heavy, so I wonder if there's like shoes or something. I actually haven't peeked, haven't opened. I forgot it was coming, so I don't know, it's on a monthly thing, so I don't know why I was surprised. I just totally forgot. Life's been busy, so we're gonna open it. So Stitchfix is $25, and you get a, actually it's $20, and you get somebody to style you for that. And then if you wanna keep anything, that does get credited to anything that you would keep. And you also, if you keep everything in the box, you're going to get a 25% discount on top of that. Now, I do have my referral link that will be listed below for you guys. If you want to use it, you can. It will give you $25 credit. So you get your first box styled basically for free, and then you'll have $25 credit to apply to any piece of clothing that you do decide to keep. So I have new stylists right now that are learning my style because my stylist went on maternity leave and decided not to come back. So we'll see who I have here. They do give you a priority mailer, which I appreciate. Then you get your little bucket of information here, envelope. This is my price sheet, and it'll tell you what fix I'm on. Let's see, number 57. Okay, so this one's I'm just looking at is a little bit more pricey. And that sometimes happens when you have a new stylist. This is definitely one I can't afford this month. So then you get your card with all the things that you had in here. No shoes. Oh, actually, maybe there are shoes in here. So I have somebody by the name of Lori. Hey there, Terry. It's the best day of the week. It's Fix Day. I hope this note and Fix finds you well and having a wonderful day. Let's keep it going. And then she starts talking about all the different things that she put in here, some transitional, summer to fall, and let's get in. So I'll show you each of the pieces as I open them, and we'll go over prices at the end. So let me just pick this up. Okay, so here is a sneak, oh, something just fell out, a sneak peek. Oh, everything's falling out. Okay, let's just do this. All right, so actually the first thing in here is jewelry, and this is by Jill Michael, the Lena beaded teardrop earrings. I actually have something like this already. Actually, I think from Stitch Fix. And if I remember correctly, it might have been, they were hoops, not teardrops, and I think they broke, and I should have let them know they would have replaced it, and I never did. So I don't own them anymore because they really broke. They were not fixable, but those are pretty. I don't need them, but they're pretty, and they're by Jill Michaels. All right, and they actually came in a box. It says JM on them for Jill Michaels. Next, it looks like we have a cardigan, a very thick, heavy cream cardigan. This is by Pink Clover in a medium, and it is the, let me tell you the name, Nori Textured 2-Pocket Cardigan. Technically, this is a beige. This is a heavier, thicker cardigan, more like this pumpkin one I have on by BP. And it's a really nice kind of just neutral. It's heavy, very, very well made. I bet you this is expensive. And it does have pockets. Really nice cardigan, really nice quality here. Then I have, what is this? Maybe a dress. Let's see. Oh no, this is a jumpsuit by Kaylee. This is a large petite, and this is a Lexi knit jumpsuit. Oops. Okay, so here we go. It's got, is it black or navy? I think it's black. Black, it says right on the tag. And it's got a nice little kind of floral design to it. And a wide leg on the bottom. This is going to be so much easier to show you once I get it on. Again, I can tell this is really nicely made. So I'm excited to try that, and it would probably look good after it got cold to pair it with the cardigan, which might be why she sent that. All right, and then this item is the one that popped out. This is by Lety and Me, which I've not heard of this brand. It's the Azalia Keyhole Pointelle Detail Sweater. All right, so this is a burgundy shade sweater, very lightweight. It has sort of this black going through it, and it has like a pretty sort of lacy, my cat's coming up and stepping on everything. This sort of lacy design and cutouts. Can you see that in it? And it looks like it's sort of a boat neck. And it comes down, and it looks like the bottom down here, yep, the bottom down here has a pretty lace as well. I'm not sure about this top, actually. I will certainly try it on, but I'm not sure. I don't know what my cat's doing up there. And then I had asked for black flats, but she said she couldn't find them, so she sent me Tom's Jutti suede flats in tan. In this, they came in this little new. Normally they have like a Stitchfix drawstring bag, but this is like a zipper bag. So I don't know if that's something for Tom's or. Oh, these are cute. Oh, look at these. Okay, let me get the other one out. I thought they were going to be like a solid color, and they're a beautiful like cheetah, or yeah, kind of more of a cheetah print. They got a little crushed in transit. Oh, what a month to get like a great pair of shoes that you want to keep that you really can't afford. And they say Tom's on the back. They look super comfortable. They're a 7.5, so we'll see. They got a little bit, they'll stretch out and be beautiful on, but they got a little bit squished in transit. So those are really, really pretty. All right, so we're gonna try everything on, and I will be. Okay, guys, so I have the little crisscross and lacy type of top. It's kind of got a little bit of like peekaboo right here, but it's fine. It's not like see-through to the point where you'd be uncomfortable, or most people wouldn't. It is 3/4 length sleeve. That I didn't know, so it's at a really nice length. It's also really lightweight, so I just have it paired with a pair of my own cut from the cloth jeans. So here it is for you guys to take a better look at. It's comfortable, and I actually like it a whole lot better than I thought I was gonna like it. I wasn't sure because it had like the dark streaks of black in it, but it's actually really pretty. And it's a little bit longer. It's nice, might be nice for layering, and I'm gonna layer it with the cardigan, but I wanna pan you guys down. These shoes are really nice, guys. They're really, really nice. So I'm gonna have a hard time saying no to these. They're so comfortable for a flat. Maybe this will be what I get out of everything, but they're expensive. They are so, so cute. I hope these are showing up okay. I hope you guys can see. It's hard for me to kind of hold my leg up, but they are so cute and so comfortable. All right, I am gonna show you guys too the this cardigan. I like everything in this box. I just don't have the money right now. It's a bad time right now. All right, so here is the cardigan. Also really nice. I love this. This actually looks nice with the cardigan too. It's the burgundy and then the dark with the light beige color. Really well-made cardigan. I knew it was gonna be a little bit of a cost. It's like a heavy, thick cardigan, while at the same time it's not like adding extra bulk and weight, and like, you know how some cardigans are like really heavy and thick, but then you look in the mirror and you look like you're 30 pounds heavier? This one doesn't do that. It still gives you like nice slim lines. These are the kind of cardigans I like, but it provides the extra weight that you're gonna want in the colder season. So these are the ones that I would get and keep for the winter, and then in summer put them away and keep my lighter ones. And I think I asked her for a cream or a beige, like a neutral cardigan. I'm pretty sure I asked her for this, not this particular one, but she did a great job picking it out. And it looks really good with the shoes too. I think I would get a lot of use with this cardigan and the shoes together and like a solid top underneath. So like all three of these pieces. I forgot to try the earrings on and the jumper, so we'll do that in just a second. Okay, for this jumper, this is really too loose up here. They always seem to up me to a petite large, and I need a petite medium in this. It's too, the large is, I don't know if you guys can see, but the large is really, really too big and too loose in the top to the point that it's uncomfortable. And even these, I pulled this up a little bit, and there's no way to like adjust the straps. So I would need to go down a size in this. And also I'm thinking if I go down a size, it may shorten this a little bit, because even though it's petite, it's hitting the floor when I stand. I think if you were like 5'4", this would be perfect for you. I'm 5'2". I need about another 2 inches. I can add that for sure if I add a, if I just add a heel to this. And then it does have pockets, and this is a super comfortable jumper. This particular one just doesn't fit me. So let me pull you guys up so you can see the whole thing. I don't know if you guys are able to see, so you can't even see my foot barely, but there's my toes. So it's just a little too long for me. I would definitely need to size down in this, and then of course up the top here, it's way too loose on the top. It's just like almost falling off me on the top. So here it is. Yeah, it's really cute though, isn't it? It just needs to be a different size. And I could wear heels, I think, just fine with this. Just like a wedge heel, I think would be really cute. So as of right now, this doesn't fit. I'm gonna grab those earrings and just hold them up, because I'm not gonna get those earrings. I'm not gonna be getting everything, so hold on. Okay, these are really cute. They're really, really cute. But like I said, I had a pair, not the teardrop style, but they were just like a round style. I think they'd actually look really cute with something like this, and they broke. So really nice little earrings here though, if you want to request them from Jill Michaels, or Jill or Jillian. No, I can't remember. We'll go over at pricing. All right, so let's do a quick recap. We'll go over each of the items and discuss what I might be doing here. Okay guys, let's start with the earrings. These are from Jill Michaels. They are called the Lana beaded teardrop earrings in gold and silver. They are $28. Really beautiful. If you're looking for a nice little pair of like mixed metal teardrop earrings, I do think you would like those. All right, next, the Toms here. These flats are absolutely adorable. I really, really liked these flats. These are the Jutti suede flat, and they are $84. I may pick these up. These are so well made, and I can't even begin to tell you the comfortability that I had with these. I really liked how they felt. So that's a possibility. This top here, this is the Lety and Me Azalia Keyhole Pointelle Detail Top in Burgundy. That is a mouthful. This is $42. I think I have it inside out now. Do I? Yeah. This is $42. This was just okay. This is not something I need. If I happen to have it in my closet, I would probably wear it, but I think there's items that I would probably grab for first before this one. So I don't need that. Don't need the earrings. This cardigan I like. You guys know I have problems with cardigans. So this is the Nouri, N-O-U-R-I, textured 2-pocket cardigan by Pink Clover in a beige. This is a medium, and this one is $48, which I actually do not think that that is bad. If you guys felt this, you would know what I'm talking about. It's got some weight to it, and I really liked the way that it looked on. So I like the shoes, and I like the that cardigan. And then this is a dangerous top. What I have on still, the jumpsuit. This is the Kaylee Lexi knit jumpsuit in black and a large petite. As you guys have seen, it's too long and it doesn't fit in the top. This is $58. It's a beautiful little jumpsuit. I'm trying to think about whether it makes sense for, and it's comfortable, whether it makes sense to go to a petite medium. Obviously this would be tightened up and we wouldn't have all this extra material, but I don't know if it would change this. This needs to actually be pinched in for about 1/2 inch for me, and the bottoms are about 2 to 3 inches too long. So really what I'm considering are the shoes and the cardigan. And I know this is a pretty jumpsuit. I know I'm gonna get a lot of people saying they like the jumpsuit and to size down in it, but I just don't know without having it here if sizing down would solve. It may solve some of this, but I don't know if it's gonna solve this, and I don't know if it's gonna solve the extra length on the bottom. So I think I'm gonna have to send this particular jumpsuit back, but like I said, if you're like 5'4" or 5'5", I think this jumpsuit would work really great for you. I don't think you'd have the issues I'm having with this and the length in the bottom. So anyhow, let me know, guys, what you think of the items that you saw. I think this is a beautiful job. Lori, is it Lori that I had? Yeah, Lori did a really nice job of like picking out those fall transition pieces. This was a fun Stitch Fix. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'll have my link down below if you want to get your own and start building up your fall wardrobe. And I will see you guys soon in the next video. Bye, guys.